Hey everybody, it's Neil, and what I have here is a rolling sharpener. So this should hopefully help me sharpen knives. So the knife I usually use to open things up, well, it's going to open this one here, but it's starting to get dull. I don't know if you can even see on there. It's all dirty and stuff. But so this is going to give me a rolling sharpener, and I'll show you guys what it all is and how it all works. So you get the device here, and then we have our whatever the angle of the sharpening blade. So what it comes with, so you got basically two pieces. Well, it's got the covers on them, so it's four. So let's see how we do this here. So diamond grinding disc 400 grit. So let's see, we have two sides. Well, one of them is definitely rougher than the other. So that's the 400 grit side. I'll come closer so you can see what I'm talking about here. So this is going to be the 400 grit side. And then this is the 1000 grit side, so it's like practically smooth. So, and that's how it works. And then you can see it rolls. So that's going to be what's going to happen there. So let's see how we do this. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to have our knife at a certain, it's the magnet, so it magnetizes on to either side. So depending on the angle that I want, so if I want it to be a 20-degree angle, I would put it as such, and so and then I rub that on it. Oh, look at that. This is going to be like the easiest thing ever. Okay. And that's how I do it. Yeah. Okay, easy peasy. Okay, that's it. Here, I'll show you guys the instructions. So this is one side of the instructions. It's in different languages, but you get the idea. And then there's the other side, so if you need it, you can probably pause and zoom in. So the concept is, I'll move closer here, and I will aim y'all right down at it. So here, this is it. So we have it. So I have the knife. I'll put it on there. So now it's on there, depending on the angle I want. So I'll start with the rough side, and then I'll just go like that. See, rolling it up against it. And then once I get it to the right, done enough, then I go this way. And now that side's done, and then I can go and flip it, and I can do the same thing on the other side. And I can even see some little shards of metal appearing on my table. So there, I only did it really short and little, but you get, ooh, man, that is sharp. Let me see if I can cut something here. I should have tried to cut something before, but let's see. Yeah, it cuts. So, I mean, I probably need to do it slightly more to get it, because this was a ridiculously dull blade to start with. And I'm not exactly sure of the angle. But how cool is that? It's a super simple concept to use, and makes you look like a real fancy chef or something like that if you want to do your chef's knife or something else. And it's a nice little kit here, and it's got these little rubber tips. So that's why it doesn't fall anywhere. And then these are magnets. So super cool. Thumbs up for sure.